What up, world? Have you ever sat back and wondered to yourself, am I where I should be at this point in my life? Or am I not doing enough? At this age, should I be better off or further along? And maybe that's because you comparing yourself to people on social media and you see people that are your age riding in G-Wagons and Lambos and on yachts. I saw an article today though that showed the average net worth by age. It did 20s, 30s, 40s, and those numbers will shock you. But before we get into that, I need you to hit the like button. And since you already here, we friends now. And I need you to hit the subscribe button. Go ahead. I'll wait. Hit it. Click it. Get ready to share it too when you're done. We cool now, so get it. Okay. The average net worth for a 23-year-old is negative $31,571. Negative. That means you already trying to dig yourself out of a hole. Once you graduate, think about it. Student loan debt, just debt that you've accumulated just for trying to learn. You already trying to dig yourself out. But as you start to earn money and you start to develop some financial literacy, that number starts to go up. So by 24, the negative is negative $23,773. By 25, negative 17, $293. 26, negative 7,347. And by 27, we have hit a positive average net worth of 8,142. What happened? Time. Time happened. So if you're looking at yourself and you're thinking back on, man, I'm in my 20s and I'm not doing as well as I should be because according to social media and how everything looks, society, I should be balling right now. I should be stunting on them hoes. I should have a boat, big truck, G-Wagon, something, Lambo, even a Tesla, something. I should be stunting out here. But guess what? That's not realistic. It takes time. And you know what else? It takes knowledge. It takes a mindset. So I want to impress upon you the fact that everything gets better with age. Everything gets better with time. Because as you get older, you should get wiser. You're going to see more, experience more. You're going to learn more. You're going to see experiences of other people and learn from the mistakes of others. You're going to learn what other people did right, what other people did wrong. And it takes time to figure these things out. But if you watch this channel, I'll help you do a speed run through this. All right? We need to learn financial literacy. We need to learn how to improve ourselves. Self-improvement should be the goal. And I also want to emphasize that this is not a race. This is not a sprint. I love Nipsey Hussle, but I wouldn't even say it's a marathon. This is a journey of self-fulfillment. Do what is important to you and not worry so much about the money. Yes, money is great. You need money in order to have options, in order to have freedom to do the things that you want to do. But you also need to understand that the money will come if you improve yourself, if you learn more, if you put out more effort, if you put in the work, if you stay consistent. The money has to come with it. Find out what's important to you. One day at a time. Figure something out that is going to help you get on the right track. Earn more. Learn about how to maintain your money, how to be a good steward of your money, how to pay less in taxes, how to pay less in stupid taxes, because you didn't do stupid things with your money. Listen to me. Listen to other financial experts that know about ways to invest, know about ways to grow your money tax free over time, know about ways to defer taxes and put your money into things that appreciate over time. The mission here is work with you in order to get better myself and to also help you get better. Because if everybody improves, the world will be a better place. Now, I don't have Elon Musk money, and I wish I did because I would help everybody get to a level of security so that you wouldn't have people that are struggling to eat and struggling to find out how they're going to pay their rent or pay their mortgage so they won't go homeless. But I don't have that in me, and maybe that's why I won't ever be a Billy Goat, multi-billionaire. But I do want to strive to get to a point where I can help out everybody around me. And, you know, a rising ship lifts all tides. Yeah, let's do it. This is Journey to the Bag. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, like the video, share the video. This is another one of those that I'm just going to drop no edits. I appreciate you watching. As always, the world is yours. I catch you on the next one. Peace.